In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Overstock Mastercard. Before we begin, make sure you're on a secure private internet connection and have your username and password ready. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Overstock Store Credit Card. In the results, look for the official Comenity page that manages the Overstock Mastercard. It should show a secure padlock in the address bar and the Comenity domain. Click that result to go to the account homepage. On the homepage, locate the Sign In option. It's usually at the top right of the page or prominently near the login panel. Click Sign In to open the secure Sign In form. In the username field, carefully type your username exactly as you created it. If you're unsure, look for the Forgot Username link on the page. That tool can help you recover it securely. Avoid copying and pasting from documents that might include extra spaces. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. If there's a show option, use it briefly to verify you've typed it correctly and watch for caps lock or autofill mistakes. A reputable password manager can also help you paste the correct password without typos. Before you proceed, you may see a Remember Me or Remember Username checkbox. Only select this on a personal, trusted device that you control. Skip it on shared or public computers to keep your account safe. Now click Sign In to submit your credentials. If your information is correct, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to confirm your identity, for example by entering a code sent to you. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be signed in. If the page doesn't load or you receive an error, try refreshing the page, ensuring your browser is up to date, or opening the site in a new tab. Clearing your cache, temporarily turning off a VPN, or switching to another modern browser can also resolve common sign-in issues. If you enter the wrong details several times in a row, your access may be temporarily locked for your protection. Use the recovery links provided on the page to regain access. And that's it. Search. Open the official page, click Sign In, enter your username and password, and click Sign In again. You're ready to manage your Overstock Mastercard account online.